I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Hyundai Tucson. We will start by establishing the fundamental proportions. First, sketch a large rectangular box to represent the main body of the car. Next, divide this box into 3 equal sections, which will guide the placement of the front, middle, and rear parts. Then, draw 2 circles for the wheels, ensuring they are correctly positioned within your sections. Finally, establish the ground line and the roof line to set the overall height of your vehicle. Now, let's refine the basic shape we established. Gently round the corners of your initial rectangular box to begin forming the Tucson's sleek silhouette. Next, add the distinctive character line that flows along the side panels, giving the vehicle its dynamic appearance. Carefully detail the wheel arches and draw the tires within the circles you previously sketched. Remember, the wheels should be approximately 1/3 the height of the car's side profile for accurate proportions. With the body refined, it is time to add the Tucson's recognizable features. Begin by drawing the prominent cascading grille at the front, a signature element. Next, sketch the unique angular headlights that seamlessly integrate with the grille's design. Outline the side windows, ensuring their shape follows the gentle curve of the roofline. Finally, add the taillights, which often feature a distinctive connected design stretching across the vehicle's rear, completing its modern look. For our final slide, let's add the finishing touches to your Hyundai Tucson drawing. Include small but important details like door handles, side mirrors, and subtle body panel lines. Next, add intricate details to the wheels, such as spokes or hubcap designs, bringing them to life. Use light shading to define the contours and create a sense of 3-dimensional depth. Finally, carefully erase any initial construction lines for a clean, polished, and professional-looking finished drawing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.